Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a tip on how to set up the torque at the through axle when you are not having at your ride a torque wrench. For example, you go out for a ride, you are having a flat tire, so when you remove the through axle, you repair the inner tube, you tighten the through axle, but you don't have a torque wrench with you, so you have to do it somehow. Now I'll show you a tip on how to set up the correct torque without a torque wrench. Let's see what we can do. At first, let's untighten the through axle. Okay, it's untightened. We can take out the through axle, etc. And we are tightening a bit. At home, we take the torque wrench with us. We have 10 Newton meters here. I will set it up. This is the maximum force that you can put. We set up the torque at 8 Newton meters as you can see here. Okay, so what we do now? We take out the torque wrench. We take a kind of pen here with paint marker, and what we do? We make a mark here until the fork, like that, just a bit, like that. Okay, now we made here the little painting, you can see, at the through axle and at the fork. So these two marks have to be aligned to be at 8 Newton meters. Let's check now. Let's make an example that we take out the through axle. We're out somewhere, we're having a flat tire, and we take out the through axle. Okay, now it's untightened. So we will set up the correct torque without the torque wrench. We tighten, and now we have to align these two marks. Okay, like that. Trust me, don't worry. Now these two marks are aligned. Okay, let's see now. Is this real or not? We'll take out the torque wrench and it has to make the click. Perfect. It's set up at 8 Newton meters and it's working great. Very good, very good. So I'm happy for this. I hope that I helped you. We keep this mark just in case, and we do the same at the rear wheel. Bye bye.